Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your Monzo international transfer or how to send money abroad in seconds with the help of Monzo. So currently Monzo has partnered with Wise to give a simple, cheap way to send money overseas, always using the real exchange rate and with no hidden fees. So you just have to simply do the transaction in your Wise application just like so you need to open Wise app and then do your international transaction the way you do it. Then at the time of the payment you just have to simply use your Monzo wallet or your Monzo card and you can make your international transaction very easily. You can save pays instead of re-entering someone else's details every time that you want to send them money, and they can actually move international transfer to the payment tab so you can quickly find them. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.